back to my channel. Today we're playing this booger guy.
Ew.
So let's get started.
Okay, so
Stay
now what's gonna happen,
tuned.
Mateo?
I got some little in my shirt.
You got some snot on your
And
shirt.
I got some right here.
What's he gonna do? He looks like he's sick. His nose fell off and oh, is that snot?
There's slime.
This snot slime.
It doesn't look stretchy.
Okay, let's do an operation on him. Pull it out, Mateo.
Wow, with my hands.
Yeah. Pull it.
Ugh.
Oh, Dr. Teo. Fixed it all, Dr. Teo. Good job.
There.
Good job. Okay.
I'm gonna make another one.
You gonna make another one?
First, guys, do you know how to play this game?
How? Show us.
You open his hand,
Okay, show me.
and then you put this in. And once you're done, you close it.
Okay.
Bring it down. And then close it. And there's gonna be a lot of buggers below, just like your rock.
Oh.
But be quiet, I'm doing the channel. You gotta go.
That's a lot of snot, Mateo. He's really sick, isn't he? Oh, wow.
But my sister's right there.
Hi, Lola.
And I'm a guest. Can I be your guest today?
Yeah, you can be a guest today.
Okay. So first, guys, you need to take his hair and get the brown part.
Oh, man, that looks pretty gross.
You need to,
Oh, man.
his nose, that's his booger word.
Okay.
That's just snot. Right
And
here.
that is our
That's
little...
ew, it smells like peppermints.
It does. Okay, let's say bye to your friends. We're gonna
No,
continue.
no, no.
You don't want to say bye to your friends?
He wants to play more.
We're gonna continue playing after I turn this off. So say bye to your friends.
Bye. Thank you for watching my brother's channel. Please like, share, and get a thumbs up, and click the bell button. See you later. Bye. Merry Christmas. Bye.
Merry Christmas, Lloyd.